Okay guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we're imagining a scenario where I'm left only $20 in my account. I will start with $5 trades and I'll show you a few combo indicators tricks along the way. Oh, and make sure to watch this video to the end. I'll reveal a Black Friday promo code that gives you 100% bonus to your deposit. Well, let's go. First indicator is zigzag, 10, 10 and 3. Second one is moving average, EMA, and period is 18. And finally RSI with period 8. This combo gives me a full picture of what's going on. We will trade with the trend, but also consider overbought, oversold zone on the RSI and price behavior around EMA. With $20 and $5 trades, we have just 4 attempts. First rule, avoid pairs where the candles are too far from the zigzag line or where the trend isn't clear. Avoid trading right inside extreme RSI zones. Be extra cautious there. No oversold, no overbought. Be careful with these zones. Let's move. We already at. And let's move forward. I already want to find some good pair and good entry zones. This session will be fast, no worry, I respect your time, but I hope you will learn something and you will see results of this experiment. We start with 20 and we looking for good investment of up $5. We analyze market using 3 indicators and my knowledge of the market and trading. Patience is the key. Let me open a first one. This trend looks amazing for me. We just short the $5 and we wait. Here is RSI zone clear. The trend is clear. And also looks like the bigger picture shows us the sign that this trade is safe. Participation is the key. Boom! First win. You know me, I always like to start with the good trades. 9. I'm more confident with this. I think I picked the perfect pair, perfect trend. I even will make sure to make maximum from this situation, and that's why I add another $10. We left $6.40. Is it okay? It's okay. As you can see, the trend going down with zigzag shows, and you can see that we save with RSI. The settings is good, but I just prepare our last budget to make this trade secure. First in minus, it happens, unfortunately. But now plus and plus. So we was right, and I think we still didn't take all the profit from this situation. As you can see, our last trade was $6 perfect zone. That's why I'm quite confident to open another trade here. As you can see, bigger picture, also safe. It's a bit worried that the price going on RSI to oversold zone. Okay, I think the $9 trade here, it looks amazing. We have profit and open another $10 trade here. Why not? Why not? Because if you believe in something, just do it. Just do it. And here, I do believe from my heart and my brain and my eyes, because I already know a structure of these indicators and I do read them well. As you can see, $17 in plus. And we also have $10 and good and safe zone. What do you think? I think this session is perfect. Short and double up our budget. What do you think? It looks easy, but be smart. Practice. Practice and practice again. If you want to see more sessions like this, even more, follow my Telegram channel, pinned comment. And also we have Telegram special private group. Every day trading sessions there, trading community there, and some inside information. If you want to learn more, watch these videos on this channel, put the likes, and I promise you something in the beginning of this video. The promo code on Black Friday, which is Black5. It's a good chance to start this amazing game called trading. So 100% to your first deposit using this promo code. Don't be shy to text me on my Telegram. Don't be shy to leave the comments in this video. And I hope you enjoy. I hope you learned something. I hope you found some new indicators combination today. Every day we learn something. And this is our goal, to be better and better and better. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.